Good morning. Sorry, I had to make sure my video was recording. For my second direct instruction link, I decided to teach renaming numbers with zeros, and that is format 8.5, and this is how I would do it. All right, kids, so we just learned about subtraction, and so now we're going to do some problems on the board before I allow y'all to work on y'all's own. So I have this problem right here. It is, what is it? 304 minus 186. So what do I do in the ones problem? Stephanie? That is correct. You start with the 4 and then you have to take away the 6. So do we have to rename in this column right here? Yes, we have a problem. We can't take away 10 from 0 tens, so we have to take away 10 from 30 tens. We're going to take away 1 10 from 30 10. Okay? Right here, right guys? So what are we going to take 1 10 from? Correct. Boop. We just put a little line through it, so I cross out the 30 and I write a 29. Make sure y'all are writing this down on y'all's paper too, okay? So y'all can have it in y'all's notes. Now I put the 1 10 with the 4 tens. Okay? So right here, this would be 1, 4, right? What is 1 10 and 4 tens? It's 14. Good job, guys. So now, what is 14 minus 6? It's 8. Good job. Thank you for paying attention. Okay, so I write an 8 in the ones column, right, guys? Now look at the tens column. How many tens are we starting with now? Because remember, we couldn't borrow from the 0, so we had to move over to the 3 tenths. So we're going to mark that out. Is it going to be 10? No, it's going to be 9. Good job, guys. So, what is 9 minus 8? It's 1. Good job. How many hundreds are we starting with now? Yes, we're going to act like we don't have that 9. So what is 2 minus 1? It's 1. Good job, guys. So what is the answer to our problem? Zachary? 118. Good job, guys. All right, so I want y'all to make sure that y'all have everything down like I do, so y'all can come back and look at it if y'all struggle with subtraction later on. Now I'm erasing my board, and I want y'all to write down the problems that I have on the board, and I will do the first one with y'all. So I want everyone to write 406 minus 287. And this time I'm going to call on some students, so no one shout out an answer. So, what does the ones column tell us? Ben, do you have to rename? Yeah, it starts with the 6 and you take away 7, but you have to rename. Can you take 1 10 away from 0 tens? Where are you going to get the 1 10? From the 40 tens. Good job, guys. So now you're going to cross out the 40 and write a 39 above it. Okay, everyone doing the same thing as me? Good job. So now I can put 1 10 with 6 ones, correct? So 1 10 with 6 ones gives me what number, Caleb? 16. Good job, guys. Thank you for paying attention. So now work on the problem in the ones column. What is 1/10 and 6/10? What is 16 minus 7? Ashley. It is 9. Good job, guys. Everyone make sure you're writing this answer down. Okay, so we wrote 9 in the ones column. So now, how many tens are you starting with now? Over here, remember, like our last problem, remember we're going to just cross it out. And it's not 10, right? It's 9 because we had to borrow. Okay, so what is 9 minus 8? Good job, Jared. It is 1. Remember, we're not shouting out. Okay, and so our next problem is, how many hundreds are you starting with now? Because remember the last one, don't act like it's a 39. You act like it's a 3. So what is 3 minus 2, Drayton? It is 1. Good job, guys. Okay, so what is the answer to our problem? Can we say it as a class? Yes, it is 119. Good job, guys. Okay, so I'm going to give y'all a worksheet, but I'm not going to just throw y'all into it. I will allow y'all to do the first one with me, but I'm going to let y'all do more of the work this time, okay? So everyone write this on y'all's piece of paper. It's 804 minus 619. Okay, so we all have the problem written, correct? Okay, so look at the first column and get ready to tell me if you need to rename. Do you need to rename, class? Yes, you do. Okay, so where do you get the tens from? You do get it from the 80 tens right here, right? And so we're going to make that what? 79. Good job, guys. Okay, so now I want everyone to work out the problem, and I will work it out too, and then we can all go do it together. Okay, guys? So I'm going to give y'all about 2 seconds. All right, guys. Did everyone get 185? Okay, do I need to go over it again? Nope. Make sure that you're showing your work when I get your worksheets, because I want to see that y'all are crossing it out and understand how to subtract the correct way. Okay, good job, guys. Thank you.